Hello, my name is Rafik. I am from French. I am now on Boba Training Brewing Tea Company. I have learning about 40 different tea drinking recipe from jasmine green tea, white peach Oolong tea, and black tea and matcha. All of them are super tasty and delicious. Lemon tea team are super helpful, patient and creative. Dudes boba drinking are the newest trend. Good looking and super delicious. I am recommended you to choose a running tea team to learn boba tea if you want to open your unique boba shop. Trust me, you will be find more than just a recipe and friendly face here. You'll discover a welcoming having that will leave a lasting impression. En gros, c'est la meilleure façon de venir apprendre, c'est ici. Sorry, my French, my English is not really nice. I am French. Thank you very much.